Hello, my beautiful gardening family. Tell me honestly, have you ever seen a tiny chili and thought, ये इतनी छोटी सी मिर्ची है, इसमें क्या ही पावर होगी? Well, today's star plant will prove you completely wrong. Meet Kanta Hari chili. Tiny in size but fiery in taste, loaded with health benefits and surprisingly easy to grow at home. This chili plant is not just beautiful to look at with its cluster of small vibrant chilies, but it's also a powerhouse for your kitchen and garden. In today's video, we will talk about benefits of Kanta Hari chili, complete care tips, best soil mix, watering and fertilizing, common mistakes, harvesting tips. So if you love growing useful edible plants at home, this video is for you. So let's begin. Kanta Hari chili is a small-sized hot chili variety known for its intense heat and strong flavor. Its plant stays compact and bushy, making it perfect for balcony gardens, terrace gardens, kitchen gardens and small pots. The best thing, one healthy plant can produce plenty of chilies continuously, and trust me, once fruiting starts, the plant looks absolutely stunning with green and red chilies together. It is both ornamental and productive, a perfect combo. Now let's talk about the most exciting part, why Kanta Hari chilies are so special and why many gardeners love growing them at home. These tiny chilies may look small and harmless, but don't underestimate them. They are packed with flavor, heat, and amazing health benefits. Let's see why. Number 1. Rich in vitamin C, great for immunity. Kanta Hari chilies are loaded with vitamin C, which plays a very important role in strengthening our immune system. A strong immune system helps the body fight infections better. Vitamin C also helps in better skin health, faster healing, protection against common illness. So yes, this tiny chili carries some powerful nutrition. Small size, big benefits. Second, helps boost metabolism. One of the most talked about compounds in chilies is capsaicin. This is the component responsible for the spicy heat. Capsaicin may help improve metabolism by slightly increasing the body's calorie burning process. That means spicy food, when consumed in moderation, may support better energy usage in the body. Interesting, right? No wonder so many people love adding chilies to their meals. Third, supports digestion. Many people think chilies are always bad for digestion, but that's not entirely true. When consumed in the right quantity, chilies can actually help stimulate digestion. They encourage digestive juices and may help improve appetite. But remember, moderation is the key. Too much spice is never a good idea. Balanced use is always best. Here's something surprising. Eating spicy food can trigger the release of endorphins, the feel-good chemicals in our body. That means spicy food can actually uplift mood and create a happy, satisfying feeling. Ever noticed that after eating spicy food, you feel energized or excited? That's one reason why nature is fascinating, isn't it? Now let's talk about kitchen benefits. This chili may be small, but even one or two can add intense flavor and heat to your food. Perfect for chutneys, pickles, curries, stir-fried dishes, homemade sauces, Just a little quantity can completely transform the taste. That's why many home gardeners love having this plant nearby. Fresh chilies straight from your garden taste extra special. Tell me in the comments, do you prefer mild spice or extra spicy food? I would love to know. Now let's talk about care. The first key is sunlight. Kandari chili loves bright light and warmth. For best growth, provide 5 to 7 hours direct sunlight daily. Less sunlight means weak growth, fewer flowers, and poor fruiting. If you are growing indoors near a window, make sure the plant gets strong bright light. The more happy the plant is with sunlight, the more chilies you get. Simple. Good soil is everything. Your soil should be well draining, rich in nutrients, light and airy. My recommended mix is 40% garden soil, 30% compost or vermicompost, 20% coco peat, 10% sand or perlite. This combination helps roots grow strong and prevents waterlogging. And remember, chili plants hate soggy soil. Wet roots is equal to unhappy plant. Watering is a very important part. Only water when the topsoil feels slightly dry. Avoid overwatering. Too much water can cause root rot, yellow leaves, flower drop. Now, fertilizer. For healthy growth and fruiting, feed every 15 to 20 days with vermicompost, mustard cake liquid fertilizer, banana peel fertilizer, organic bloom boosters. During flowering and fruiting, potassium-rich fertilizers help a lot. This encourages more flowers and more chilies. Here are some common issues. Leaves turning yellow. Possible reasons: overwatering, poor nutrition, flowers dropping, usually due to low sunlight, stress, temperature fluctuations. Pests: watch for aphids, spider mites, white flies. Use neem oil spray weekly as prevention. Healthy observation is equal to healthy plant. Always inspect the underside of leaves. Friends, now comes the most satisfying part of growing Kanta Hari chilies, the harvest. This is the moment every gardener waits for. After giving your plant proper sunlight, watering, nutrition and care, seeing those tiny chilies ready for harvest feels incredibly rewarding. You can harvest Kanta Hari chilies once they reach a healthy size. Depending on your preference, you can pick them. Green for fresh, sharp flavor, orange or red for maximum heat and stronger taste. Usually, mature chilies develop brighter colors and stronger pungency. One useful tip: always harvest regularly. Why? Because frequent harvesting encourages the plant to produce even more flowers and fruits. The more you harvest, the more productive your plant can become. Use clean scissors or gently pluck the chilies without damaging stems. Handle carefully because these chilies can be very spicy, and honestly, this is the most beauty of growing edible plants at home. From a tiny seed or sapling to a healthy plant full of colorful chilies, the journey feels truly magical. You don't just grow food, you grow patience, care and happiness. Thank you so much, dear friends, for being part of this green journey with me. If you love this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to After 81 for more useful gardening content. Let's keep growing naturally, sustainably and happily. Your love and support motivates me to keep creating videos for this amazing gardening family. See you in the next video. Until then, happy gardening and keep growing. Go green, grow green.